China is about to launch one of the most revolutionary financial projects in the world. It's turning its physical coins and banknotes digital. Unlike most other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which work outside the control of a central authority, the digital yuan will be the world's first that is state-owned, issued by the central bank. You can use digital yuan anywhere, since it works exactly like cash, except it's on your phone.
设置各种支付壁垒，用微信的地方不能用支付宝，用支付宝的地方不能用微信。但对于央行的数字货币来讲，只要你能够使用电子支付的地方，就必须接受央行的数字货币。
What does money in your phone look like? Well, digital yuan might be stored in a digital wallet like this.
The digital wallet, as we see right now, only requires a download of an app on a mobile phone. It does not require mobile phone data signals even to make a transaction to take place.
Digital yuan, which is there's a technology, what we call the NFC, the near field communication. I think this is also one of the major difference compared to Alipay and WeChat Pay, because the NFC allows you to do offline payment.
So even if you can't get a signal, say you're mountain climbing or on a flight, you'll still be able to pay with digital yuan. All this leads to one big plus for China's authorities.
The government can check every single transfer that happens through the platform. They can eliminate counterfeiting, they can eliminate money laundering, and they have a much more clear understanding of who is spending what.
Hold up!
Wait, what? Every single transfer?
Every single transfer?
This does raise potential privacy issues.
普通的交易是匿名的，但是如果我们用大数据识别出一些行为特征的时候，还是可以锁定这个人的真实身份的。
In other words, you could go on indulging in virtual gifts for your favorite live stream celebrity or a vice like gambling. But your transactions may all be monitored.
The government has a lot more control over the currency. So for example, if you had a very low social credit score, or the government maybe wanted to freeze your finances very quickly, they would have a lot of power to prevent you doing something with your money because they're controlling the digital system.
On the flip side, visitors to China will find it much easier to use Renminbi. Travelers can't use WeChat or Alipay if they don't have a Chinese bank account or Chinese registered credit card. You might have to ask someone to send you a red packet in WeChat or Alipay, or risk dirty looks when you try to pay with cash. That will change with digital yuan.
On a basic level, you do not need a bank account to essentially use digital currency at all. It gives more opportunities, more significantly, to people who live in remote areas, such as people in Qinghai or Tibet, who are significantly underbanked.
Businesses may find it more efficient to deal directly with digital yuan.
So right now, if I want to send money from a bank in China to a bank overseas, I basically have to use the SWIFT network or one of a couple of other networks, and it's going to be much cheaper for them to do transactions.
The digital yuan is expected to launch in the next 1 to 2 years. At the moment, it's undergoing trials in 4 cities: Shenzhen, Suzhou, Xiong'an, and Chengdu.
Actually, right now I'm in Suzhou, one of the travel cities. It said the government employees will get travel allowance, half of their travel allowance for now as a digital yuan.
And ironically, American franchises such as McDonald's, Starbucks, and Subway have become the first vendors to tender Chinese digital currency. And so we must say these are all brand new experiences.
It's also believed that the digital yuan will be piloted at the Winter Olympics in 2022 with international guests.
So it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. I think some countries may be concerned because they don't want data control to rest in China. And I think that's a question that China's going to have to answer is, what exactly is being tracked by the government versus what's just being tracked so that it's secure.